Hi folks, my name is David Balkan, and on occasion in plumbing or for other applications, you may have to make a gasket to put some items together. So in this particular case, I'm going to show you how to make a gasket if you're putting a flange together for a plumbing assembly. Now of course you can buy ready-made gaskets, but it's an easy to do task if you want to make your own gasket. You would simply take one side of the flange, place it on the gasket material, outline the flange on the outside, circle with your pen the inner openings, the center opening, and the surrounding, in this particular case, 4 openings, so it's 5 openings. That's more or less what it's going to look like. You take a mallet. You have a hole punch set with the appropriate size hole to be punched. Center hole done. And again, in this case, there's 4 more required openings. I may be doing a little overkill. You don't have to really kill it, but now you have all your openings for the size of the pipe that'll go into the flange, and for the bolts that will go through the outside of the flange. The only thing left to do is just take a scissor and you'll just cut along the outside. You can see this doesn't have a high requirement of skill, and it's also not terribly time consuming. If you're ever left in a situation where you need a gasket, you don't have that particular size, all you really need are basic tools and a hole punch. And just like that, look what you have. You have your gasket. One side of the flange, the other side of the flange. Of course, you're going to screw in the appropriate pipes, put the bolts through. And then you have a leak-proof gasket for your flange. There you go. Thank you for watching.